Here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to create this typography effect with the shape of a banana. The first thing you want to do is to go to text and you type the word banana. Okay, you would use a long font for it, so let's use Costa Clean. You drag it, you come to the spacing and close it up a little. Change the color to white, so we are sure that the banana is sitting on the banana. Then the next thing we want to do is to change the background now to transparent. We can go ahead and save this text. The next thing we want to do now is to go over to Ps Touch. Ps Touch is an Android version of Photoshop. We'll click on the plus icon. We'll click on photo library. We'll click on our file or photo to locate the file that we just saved. It is in Pixellab. Select the banana. It has been selected. Alright, then come over here, click on the plus, click on photo again, click on this, and then you can pick the banana that was downloaded. Increase it to the left and increase it to the right. Alright, then you come over here, you can move this. Alright, okay, now this is the banana. Go back. I light it, that is, touch it like this. When you touch it, it means you have selected it. Okay, I think we are okay. Alright, so touch the banana and light the banana, then go to this guy, go to wrap. Okay, now you can begin to touch the design to wrap it. Okay, let's start again. Wrap. Now I want to zoom in like this so that I'll be seeing what I'm doing. So this point I'll move it here. This point I'll move it here. I'll move it here. Move it here. Alright, then I'll zoom again. This point I'll move it here. You see that now? So I'll zoom again. This point I'll move it here. This point I'll move it here. I'll adjust again. Now I'm working on this last point here. I'm moving it here. Then this point I'm moving it here. Adjust again. So it means I can bring this one down here. Right. Then I can bring this one down here. How about that? So that means I can also move this one down here. Alright, let's work on this one here. Okay, let's adjust it and see. And let's move this one in small. Alright, so we have the shape there, the word banana written on the body. The next thing I want to do is to click the check there Then go over here and we'll touch this part, this guy here. We'll touch it. It means that we have successfully hidden the original shape. Then we'll click on done and click on save. You see it has been saved. Then you will touch the banana. Okay, click on done. Then click on the share. Click on what you want to share. Okay, let's go again. Okay. All right, click on the share. Click on share again. Select PNG. Then touch the file you want to save. Then click on OK. And then the file will be saved. Alright, it will be saved. Let's go again. Let's use save to gallery. Sorry, PNG. Select the file and then click on save. It has been saved now to the gallery. Let's check it. So it means we can come back to Pixellab now, and then we would click this back. I'm going to bring in this test effect. Okay, then I'm going to drag it like this. Alright, then I'm going to bring in a shape. So after I've done that, I'll just come over here. Alright, then I'll bring this guy in like this. Okay, then I'll come over here. I'll click this. Sorry, I'll bring a shape here. Just from here where you have the banana written. So from there to there. Right? Then I'll come over here and I'll bring, let me delete this. I'll bring this to the front like this. Right? Then after that, I can come over here now. Where is it? The mask. Then I can bring to mask the part that I don't want to stay. Alright, so let's go. Let's move this here. Move this here. Move this here. Let me enable this guy and let me move it here. Okay, move it here. I see that now. Then I can copy it and I'll move it to this other side. When we have the banana, I can rotate it. Let's rotate it. Yes. Okay. Right. Then I'll move it here. See that now? So we have something like this. Banana. So if we want to add a shadow to it, we just convert to stickers. We go to this, we'll select it and move it. After that, we OK it and change the color to maybe black, right? Then we'll just do it like this and put it there. Then we'll reduce the opacity. So that's what I've done. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. If you want to watch more of these food or fruits typography, check the playlist on the screen.